The males of many raptors are smaller than the females. However, the male Andean condor is larger than the female. It is one of the largest flying birds, standing over 4 feet tall and having a 10-foot wingspan. Amazing facts for young explorers. Condors can live up to 70 years. That's older than your grandparents. And they can go days without flapping their wings. Once imagine soaring through the sky while taking the longest nap ever. Despite weighing as much as a kindergartner, up to 33 pounds, their skeleton is super lightweight, only about 7% of their body weight. It's like having a bicycle frame that can lift a refrigerator. Andean condor vocabulary. Andean, from the Andes Mountains in South America. Condor, a very large type of vulture. Skeleton, the framework of bones in a body. Lightweight, not heavy. Body weight, how much something weighs overall. See you next time, love you all.